right, Tactical Pursuit right back at you tonight. Who do we have?
We got Maddie.
Who do we got?
Josh Madden.
Josh, another AGM. We are going to rock AGM tonight on the pigs. What else are we going to do, Josh?
Probably call some dogs, maybe some cats. Get after any.
And you're only getting mugged if you go downtown. I live back in the woods, you see. A woman and the kids and the dogs and me. I got a shotgun, a rifle, and a four-wheel drive, and a country boy can't
Maddie?
survive.
Huh?
Well, considering it's still alive.
What do you think, Josh?
Oh, yeah.
Josh knocked the piss out of a bunch of them.
I can plow a field all day long. I can catch catfish from dusk till dawn. Make our own whiskey and our own smoke too. Ain't too many things these old boys can't do. We grow good old tomatoes and homemade wine, and country boy can survive.
For another night weekend, who do we have?
Maddie.
Who do we have in the back?
Jamie.
Yeah, we're here for another night. Gonna hunt on some good land. We're looking for some guys. What else we looking for?
Looking for a cat.
And
Some hogs.
y'all come along, go with us, see what we do. Teamwork.
We came from the West Virginia coal mines and the Rocky Mountains and the western skies.
Here we go. We got Jamie and her first pig. What do you think, Jamie?
We can skin a buck,
Huh?
we can run a trot line.
What'd you drop it? You dropped it with that AGM thermal. First
First shot.
shot. Dropped it.
It was the first shot.
What'd you think about that scope?
It's nice.
I had a good friend in New York City. He never called me by my name.
Maddie made about a 400-yard shot on this smaller pig. Perfect eating size.
Grandpa taught me how to live off the land, and his taught him to be a
Look at that muscle shot.
man.